just because you have another one that I've seen.
I am wondering now what it is, but I
It's
could
pretty
wait.
good.
I could wait.
It's pretty good.
Um,
But I just didn't think they would take this long. I ordered them the same day I ordered my shoes, and I thought my shoes would take longer because they were coming from Europe.
yeah, they were. Yeah, the website you ordered it from was from Europe.
Yeah, but
There's
no
something.
problems.
Actually, I wanted to. I mean, it's probably not really much about unboxing.
You have the thing in your room?
Yeah.
Want to grab it for you?
It's crazy because it wasn't. Oh, maybe because I got the window closed. Because it wasn't. LA's been cooling down. Winter's definitely coming. The sun is setting earlier. I bet the shit's here. Shit. These scissors suck. Scissors are horrible.
Did I tell you I have to send back all the skin stuff? It was garbage.
Yeah, you told me. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't
The
buy
Skims review.
Buy any other product but Skims.
So, I still fuck with Kanye though. Kanye's still
I love Kanye.
First flight courier quality product. Dubai United Air.
You bought something from Dubai?
It's a 13 Studios hoodie. I didn't know they ship from Dubai. They only do these limited releases. It's an Instagram brand. And you know, I thought, ooh. As soon as I put my hand in there, okay.
Let me see.
This is my first time buying from these guys. So first off, they do it really well. This looks very familiar. What does that look like? Is that like Santa Monica?
Oh yeah.
Right, Santa Monica, yeah.
That's where we want.
Yeah, all right. So they do this very well. So first off, they don't just have a bunch of shit for sale. Hold on, let me. First off, they don't have a bunch of shit for sale. You go on their website and they have a timer till the next release. They only do one item at a time. I think maybe once they maybe have had multiple items, and they only do it on a timer basis. So you have, I think you could buy as much as you want for the time that you want until it's no longer there. Niggas is gonna kill me in this fucking. Let me hurry up. So, so they do their releases right. This is the first time I've managed to get an item from them. I've missed it every time for whatever reason. But the first thing I would notice when I put my hand in it, already I'm telling it's a soft hoodie. The quality of the hoodie, very nice. For sure. Whoa. Oh, hold on. $144? God damn, bro. What the fuck? It's the XL. I am worried about the size because it seems like it is one of those like large fitting but also ribbed like tightly as well. They just seem like they're not like, I don't know, the sizing on them, and also because of my size. I'm not like average person size. So I did start with an XL. They do sell double XLs, which I was like, once I see someone selling that, I'm always like, damn, should I? But I know how fashion is, and you could have even the big person in fashion as well. Once again, this brand is 13 Studios. I can already tell quality stitching. This is like a forest green, or what was the last color they did on me? Get this right. Whoa. This just in 11 minutes ago. August, I seen a press in Big Tory in the parking lot about speaking on Jada's situation. He really thought Tory was built like Will.
What up? What up? What up? I hate when niggas don't keep the same energy with me. Why did you speak on my business online, brother? And you, what is... What up? What up? What up?
Why did you speak on my business online? That's funny. Oh, shit. But anyways. The quality of this hoodie, I'll say, is it's pretty soft, for sure. And it's like a deep green. Oh, I was checking the green, the name of this green that they called it. That's what I was. 13 Studios. Forest green, double logo. So they don't always do the double logo. It's mostly the single logo. This is the double logo, so it's stitched twice. They did do a Virgil collab that was really cool that I missed out on. Yeah, decent following. This is the first one that I've grabbed. It seems like out of maybe let me say max 20 releases, maybe less, a little less than that, like 15. And every time they do it, they only do one at a time, it looks like. And if you go on their website right now, it has the timer till the next one. So I'd say really good marketing. They get like pretty top industry people, whether they're musicians, brand influence, whoever they are. They get the cool people to wear the hoodie to make you be like, this is... My only issue with these hoodies is I'm not too sure about the cinching and the waist. So I'm not sure the XL will be big enough. And then I personally am not the biggest fan of hoodies without drawstrings. I personally like drawstrings in my hoodie. They have made it a thing not to have the drawstrings. This would be my second hoodie I am purchasing without the drawstrings. The last one I had, I ended up getting rid of. I ended up selling. I'm not the biggest fan of hoodies without the drawstring. I am a cincher with the drawstring. I like that, but this hoodie, the hood seems like, we shall see. We'll see. But like I said, feels super soft for sure. Opening it up, it seems like it's big enough. I'm gonna go try this on. Not gonna lie, I probably should have went based off the sizing with a double XL. I'm not sure. it on with a hat. Yeah. The arms are so big. It's definitely like a sizing thing that they want to do. But this is why I hate how tight it is. I'm not the biggest fan. It wasn't crazy. It's not crazy expensive. I forgot how much it was. It's not crazy expensive though, so I'm not mad at it for the purchase, but it probably won't get worn. My biggest like about this is the quality is super soft, but the body, it is really cinched at the waist, so you definitely layer it with something, probably like a longer shirt. But the cinching at the waist is really heavy, which, you know, could work for some people. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but, you know, some people love the super waisted cinch. Super cinched waist hoodie. But it's cool. I like the double stitch. The green. Maybe it'll get some wear out of it. I'm not going to lie. I like the forest green. The color's really nice. It's an acid wash. So I think, yeah. Let me get the main look. Oh, hold on. Let me get the light so you can see. It's not that bad, actually. It's not that bad. I'll probably end up keeping it. But the cinching at the waist is crazy. Cinching at the waist is insane. The arms are incredibly puffy. The pouch is super small. Oh my God. Why is the pouch so small? I've never seen such a small fucking pouch. Holy fuck. Yeah, I don't know. Unless you do a crazy ass color, unfortunately, 13 Studios, this might be the last purchase for me. Unless you consult me for a redesign, because you have some really good things going on here, but yeah. Color, A1. Fit, I'd say personally a B plus. Once again, it's a preference. I'm not a fan of this cinching at the waist, but you can still rock it down, so you don't have to cinch it too heavy. So actually, I'll do an A minus. A minus. We'll see how it works. I'll revisit it. Because I don't think I'll keep this. The arms are crazy puffy, so the larger you get, the puffier the arms. If you're okay with that, I don't mind it too much. It hides the fact that I don't have any muscles. Once again, I already told you I hate hoodies without the cinch. And on top of that, your hoodie is pretty much on the small side. But I do like the shape, and I can fit everything in. Does it fit everything? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I have dreads, and this is a hat on, so I can fit everything in. So the shape, I can't knock it. It fits. Can it fit my headphones as well? Let's test that. Put my headphones on when I'm in the airport, and I got my headphones on. Yeah. Gets an A1. I can have my AirPods Maxes on. Yeah, it fits everything. So it gets an A plus for me. I can't knock the fit, even though I'm a fan of the cinch. It does not have the cinch. So what is that? The color, A plus. The fit, A minus. The hood, I hate non-cinch, but fits everything. You can let it reside up here. So I can't knock it. I think it's an A for me. The pouch though, that's a fucking C. The pouch is super small. I don't know if that's because of the cut, but this pouch seems small. I may be crazy. I'm going to check and verify on other hoodies, but this pouch seems really small. I may be crazy though. Overall quality, super soft, A1 for sure. Love the double stitch. The fact that this is also the only one so far that they've done the double stitch, so they did something special with this drop. Also like it as well. And already I'm heating up, so this feels warm. So we got a good hoodie here overall. So if I do cop another one, it might be specifically for color, because no cinch hood is a deal breaker for me personally. But I've been fucking with you guys for a while, so I will enjoy this joint for sure, for sure. Let's get back to some GTA. Oh, this shit. See, that's what. Shut up.